Hey scholar, welcome to day 10 of being a badass in Precalculus. Today's question is also like on logarithms, like day 9. If you've not watched day 9, you can go ahead and watch it on my channel, alright? So today's question is about logarithms. If log of x minus 2, log of in base 3 equals 2, solve for x, alright? Now, I want to show you something about logarithms. If you have log of 10 in base log of 1000, all right, to base 10 equals 3, all right. You can check your calculator with this. Log of 1000 in base 10 is 3, okay. Now what does this mean? It means that 10 to the power of 3 equals 1000, right? 10 to the power of 3 equals 1000. That's a law of logarithms, okay. So if you have log of ax equals to b, all right, it means that a to the power of b equals x. This is very important. All right. If log of x base a equals to b, it follows that a to the power of b equals x. That is what we're going to use to answer this question. All right. So I'm just going to rub this off real quick. Right? So using that, log of x minus 2 base 3 equals to 2. What does that mean? It means that x minus 2 equals to 3 squared. All right? So x minus 2 equals to 9, x equals 11. And that's how you solve the question. Remember, if log of a to the power of x to the power in base a equals to b, it follows that a to the power of b equals x. That's how we used to solve. So 3 to the power of 2 equals this guy. And that's how you solve it. And the answer is what? 11. Alright? If you found value for this video, I want you to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Turn on your notifications so that you can get more videos like this. Okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want you to like this video, comment on this video if you have any questions, and share this video to everyone who you know might need it. And I'll see you in day 11. Thank you.